Welcome to this tutorial on creating a narrated PowerPoint video in just a few minutes. To begin the process, start by opening the PowerPoint application on your computer. This initial step is simple but crucial as it sets the stage for the entire tutorial. Once the program is open, locate and open the PowerPoint presentation that you have prepared. Whether you have been working on your slides for a meeting, a training session, or a seminar, make sure the file is the one you wish to work with. After your presentation is loaded and visible on your screen, look toward the top of the interface for the Record tab. Selecting the Record tab will bring up various recording options specifically designed to help capture your narration alongside your slides. This feature leverages PowerPoint's built-in capabilities to create a seamless recording experience, ensuring that each slide is accompanied by your voice. Within the Record tab, you will notice an option labeled Record Slideshow. Activating this option initiates the process that allows you to capture your spoken commentary as you navigate through your presentation. As you click on Record Slideshow, make certain to check that all the necessary settings such as microphone input and slide timings have been correctly configured, ensuring that your recording will be both clear and professional. When you feel ready to begin your narration, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. There you will see a prominent Record button. Once you click the record button, the recording will commence immediately and you can begin speaking. It is advisable to take a moment to ensure your narration pace is steady and your voice is clear, as this recording will serve as the backbone of your narrated video. As you navigate through your slides, the recording will capture each transition and spoken detail, making this step crucial for a successful outcome. When you have finished narrating your entire presentation, stop the recording by clicking the stop button. This action finalizes the captured audio along with the slide timings you have established during your narration. The clarity of your final product is dependent on the smooth execution of your speaking and slide transitions. So take your time to complete this step confidently. With your narration recorded, the next phase involves exporting your presentation. Begin by clicking on the export option. This will allow you to convert your presentation into a different format that is more accessible for various platforms. Once in the export settings, you will be prompted to type in your desired file name. Choose a name that clearly represents your content and is easy to remember for future access. After naming your file, adjust the video format settings to save your new file as an MP4. MP4 is widely accepted and compatible with most video players and online platforms, making it an excellent choice for sharing your narrated presentation. Finally, to finalize the process, click on Export Video. The program will then begin converting your PowerPoint presentation, complete with your narration and slide transitions, into a polished MP4 video file. Following these sequential steps will result in a professional narrated video that is ready to be shared, whether for business meetings, online courses, or any purpose that requires a blend of visual slides and audio commentary. Enjoy your newly created narrated PowerPoint video and the ease it brings to presenting your content in a dynamic, engaging format.